Three men, one furnace, and a faith that fire could not burn. Picture this, a golden statue, 90 feet tall, gleaming in the Babylonian sun. King Nebuchadnezzar's voice echoes across the land. Bow down when you hear the music, or face the blazing furnace. But three young men, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, they share a silent prayer, hearts pounding, but their resolve is unbroken. Stand firm. The music plays, thousands bow, yet they remain upright. The crowd gasps. King Nebuchadnezzar's face twists in fury. Their courage isn't reckless. It's rooted in something deeper. Dragged before the furious king, the king thunders. Is it true you refuse to serve my gods? They speak words that echo through history. Our God is able to save us from the furnace, but even if he doesn't, we will never bow to your gods. Nebuchadnezzar's rage boils over. He orders the furnace heated 7 times hotter. The furnace roars to life, heated 7 times hotter than usual. The flames are so intense they kill the soldiers who throw them in. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego are bound tightly, hands and feet. Yet something impossible happens. The king peers into the inferno and gasps. 4 figures walk freely in the flames, the 4th shining like a divine being. No ropes bind them, no fire burns them. The crowd and king stare in awe, unable to believe their eyes. When they emerge, not a hair is singed, not even the smell of smoke clings to their clothes. Nebuchadnezzar himself declares, the king bows his head, humbled by the miracle. Blessed be the God who sent his angel to save his servants. Sometimes the greatest victories aren't about avoiding the fire. They're about discovering who walks with you through it.